Yeah, I'm about done. But I ain't even gonna take this off until my new one come. But look, it's ready. It's ready. Everything is done. Everything is done. Injectors. Everything. I put my shit in my trunk so I won't get shit mixed up. Look. Starter body. Alternator. Hopefully my damn intake come tomorrow so I can put this bitch on. And forgot I'm changing these shits too. So I'm waiting on them gaskets also. And if you flip it over, facing the car, it was leaking on this side. And look, you can see why that shit had broke. Well, it broke, and that's where it was leaking at. And it was leaking bad. Real bad. Look. My shit was burning oil. Shh. Yeah, I gotta do some serious cleaning. My homie helped me take the hood off. This shit is a lot easier to work on and see them back bolts. So it's another day, and I'm on this side here. Got one more bolt to take off, then they'll be coming out. This side, I can see it's a little bit more harder. Got more shit on this side, but I still should get it. She cleaned up nice. Yeah, I can clean the middle a little better, but this was the main focus. Gasket just came in. Now it's time to do the valve covers. Sheesh. Got that bitch all. Boy, that's a mess. Damn. Yes, sir. Got a new gasket on. I got one valve cover back on, done. I'm gonna hit that one tomorrow. It's about to get dark, man. Yes, sir. Changing these plugs now. Let's go. Just got the new gaskets in. Now it's time. It's time for this motherfucker. And there we go. Got the real one. Man, look at the size difference. This shit is a monster compared to that. Look at this. Damn. Okay, y'all, I got everything back together. I took my time, but I gotta go run and get the coolant. Hopefully everything good. I hope I missed this. Yeah, I still got my hood. I'ma ride with my hood off. Yup, it's clean. That Ford intake looks so much better. Everything is clean. And by the way, I never knew these hoods was this freaking heavy. This is my first time ever picking one up. It is crazy heavy. First startup.